Windows April 10, 2018 Update, Top Tips Every Microsoft User Needs to Know. Microsoft's Windows April 10 update has begun rolling out, and while many are excited about the operating system's new features, others have seen the update create havoc on their PC. Users have reported that the update is causing freezes on Chrome and Cortana, and some are even saying that installing it leads to serious crashes and data loss. A Reddit user also claims the Windows April 10 update failed as it did not recognize a lack of space on his hard drive. However, for most users there are simple steps to make sure that installing the April update, and taking advantage of its new features, is as painless as possible. A warning though, Microsoft has released an advisory acknowledging that the update is currently incompatible with computers using certain Intel SSD hard drives, and that it is blocking those PCs from being automatically upgraded at the moment. To give your update the best chance of going smoothly, follow these 5 steps. Make sure that you back up your data. As with most software updates, things can and do sometimes go wrong during the update process. Double-checking that first your files and then your hard drive are securely saved on an external drive is an important failsafe. Creating a bootable image of your hard drive is also straightforward to do using Windows' own control panel. Check you have enough disk space. A big update like the April 2018 one will take up a sizable amount of file space, and if the update doesn't detect enough space on your computer, it will usually just refuse to install. Make sure your recycle bin is empty, and that any non-essential files are moved to an external drive. If that still does not free up enough space, a minimum of 16 GB is a sensible amount, then running disk cleanup can help you to find and delete cumbersome large files you no longer need. Disconnect hardware. Peripherals like printers, scanners, and external drives can cause problems during updates. This is often because their drivers need to be updated too, but it is often easier to do that after you have installed the new Windows 10 package. Simply disconnecting your gear can help avoid troublesome interruptions that can derail the updating process. Plug in and check your connection. Reliable Wi-Fi and power are essential when updating. Any dropout in coverage or battery can leave an update corrupted and your PC in trouble. Experts even recommend investing in an uninterruptible power supply if you want to make extra certain that even a power cut won't affect your update. Disable, temporarily, your security software. Antivirus software and firewalls occasionally interfere with the upgrade process. To guarantee they don't cause an issue when you are downloading and installing Windows 10's new update, switch them off whilst it's ongoing. This is because, when working as designed, antivirus software can step in to block changes to your system. With these precautions, installing Windows 10's April 2018 ought to be a stress-free experience. With new features such as the much-vaunted new timeline, which allows you to go back in time to resume tasks and reopen screens from the previous 30 days, and a huge boost to the OS's Bluetooth capability, the April 2018 update has generated huge excitement. Windows 10 users will also be able to talk to their PC using improved dictation software, whilst Microsoft's Chrome challenging browser Edge also gets some slick updates. The new Focus Assist mode also allows the blocking of social media notifications and emails for those who want to concentrate on work without distractions.